This is the Capstone project for the continuity test development by Branco. The project scope is to develop and implement software that will reduce test time, provide higher level of test coverage, and a quicker cycle time by the use of the Cirrus software. The deliverables for this project are test fixturing and cabling to interface from the product Cirrus scanner test station, the software that reduces test time and rework, and a testing procedure. The communication backplane. The communication backplane is used in high-level server applications. The software was created for this backplane to reduce the test time of this backplane. The communication backplane receives, multiplexes, and transmits signals for a server. The software will verify that the backplane's connections and verify the isolation of the signals over these connections. The use of Cirrus EasyWire scanner terminals will be used to accomplish this project. Here's a picture of the communication backplane in the test cage as it has already been installed. Here's a picture of the Cirrus scanner terminals with the ribbon cables already installed. Here is a picture of the VME extender cards and the test gauge. As you can see, the ribbon cables are going from the Cirrus scanner terminals to the VME extender cards. Here is a setup for the 21 slot backplane VME cards that we were using during this project and how they are connected to the scanner terminal. Here's the test procedure to be used while testing the backplane. If you follow this procedure, you can see that you start with test 1 and you hook up the backplane and perform pass 1 through pass 7, which you move the the card down the slots. As you can see in the chart below, is test 1, card 1, and card 2 shows the slots of slot 1 and slot 8. That's where the VME cards are going. Then test 2 proves out the isolation of the test between the two sections of the backplane in slot 14 and slot 15. And then test 3 tests the second section of the VME backplane. As you can see, as card 1 is at slot 15 and card 2 is at slot 18, and then you move them over like you did in test number 1. Here's a picture of the test station layout. As you can see, the layout of all the VME cards, the ribbon cables, the scanner terminals, the test cage, and the backplane installed into the test cage. Here's a closer picture of the same layout. Here is a picture of how the VME extender cards and backplane interface for the test. Here is another picture of how the VME extender cards and backplane interface for the isolation test. Here is a picture of the screenshot of the test selection under the Cirrus EasyWire software. You click on which test you want to run, then you would click the test button. With the backplane connected, you'll see, and after you click which test you want to run, this will be the screen that you will see. To start the test, you click on the start button. This is a screenshot of a test in progress. This is a good result after you test a backplane. All the connections are verified and the isolation of the signals are verified, it will result in a good pass result. Once you are complete, you can click on the Done to test the next backplane or to exit the software. I induced a failure to verify the software. This failure was induced by simply not connecting card 1, VME card 1. And as you can see, it shows up that the wire is missing. Wire connection is missing. If you verify that the connections are good, you should click on retest and see if the failure persists. Connection failures can be caused by a misconnection between the VME extender cards, ribbon cables, scanner terminals, and backplane under test. Once connections are verified to be good, the backplane should be retested. If a bad result still is present, then that backplane should be removed and troubleshot for an actual root cause, which the software will give you a good indication of where that root cause stems from. In conclusion, the software reduced test time down to 30 minutes per backplane from 8 hours. Also, failure troubleshooting and rework were reduced considerably by the software, as it will indicate where your root cause will stem from. The software provided 95% test coverage. There were header connectors that were not included in the software because of lack of parts and lead time, but can still be tested manually using a digital multimeter. Thank you.